I got things from Temu, you guys, and let's unbox it together. First off, we have this. It's a headset. This is it. Customer service shit. Can you see that? I got it. I've been using my earpiece for like, you get that? Yeah, I got this one from Temu, and I tried it out already. It looks good, but we're trying it out tomorrow. Next up, let's see another thing that I got. Like, I just wanted to do this thing because I've been using everything. I got this one. It's a shape eyebrow. That thingy for eye whatever. I don't know. I kind of feel like I wasted my money, but then again, I don't shave my face and all of that. But this is it. I think about 10 pieces of this. Yep. Number two, I got this one from my mom. Two-piece nightwear set. Like the prints are so beautiful. So I'll be sending it to her very, very soon. It's like so pretty. I got about three for her. I made a video about it and I was like, hey, she was like, oh, I should. But look at this one. It's her size. It's big. Anyway, so I got this one for my mom. I've got about three. I think all these, I don't even know their sizes. So just in case you want to get for your mom and everything. Timo. Next off, I got this. This is that grinder that is to like drag, but I must warn you, never like do not buy this size. It's a waste buying this size. Like this is the space, just very tiny. So like it's only if you want to like grind pepper for, will I say, egg or something. It's very, very small. What the can't even explain it to you. Can you see? This is the cover and this thing. This whatever. The cover even takes half of the space of this stuff. And this annoying thing keeps coming off. I don't know. Don't just buy. Don't waste your money buying this one. I must tell you. Get a bigger size. And this thing was about 6K. The bigger size. They were no wonder they were like telling me to pick. I was like, let me pick. This one still nice wear sets for my mom. I have, so there was no need buying. But see guys, I carefully picked this out. Can you see the print? Like it's so beautiful. I don't want to bring them out again, so it's not rough. This one too, nice way. So I got this one. It's like an anti blue light, whatever. But looking at it, I think it's just the fashion glasses. But I'll be using it because my eyes, the screen is just, you guys, look at this and tell me how I look. Fine shade. This looks nice. I mean, they said it's an anti-blue light, whatever, but I don't think it's really. Next off, I got this stuff to put your sponge and soap, whatever, in the kitchen. Like you hang on that kitchen sink, whatever. What else did I get? Yeah, what's this? Yeah, I got this thing. It's a solid perfume and it smells so nice, you guys. It smells so nice. I got like two others there in the room. It smells so nice. It's like Vaseline but with perfume. So like when you're going out, what I'll be doing is just like apply it like I'm applying oil, like Vaseline on my body. It smells so nice. This is called Yara. So it's like a girly scent and everything. I love girly perfumes. I love girly perfume. Next off, I got this. You guys are going to unbox it together. Like we're going to unbox it very well. But I got this. What does this look like to you guys? Watch the next video so that you guys will be able to see for my dark skin tribe alone. What else did I get? Oh, I got my phone pouch, but I'm using the pouch. You guys, I got all these things and I got one other stuff again, like two-piece for my man. And what else did I get? I got this thing. Do you know what this is? It's a 10-piece like panties. And I must tell you, I got a big size. And it's this like the material is like you can't feel. Oh, it's what's it called? It's something they call all these pants that you cannot see the panty line, whatever. I want to show you guys my but there are 10 pieces of this and they're like, let me show you guys one fine one. Not like I'm going to show you guys the whole, but there are 10 pieces of this. See, this very pretty. Can you see how pretty this material is? Very fine. And it's like so comfortable. It's not tight, nothing. I love, love, love it. So, so far, my best buy so far here, I'll say, is this one. Anyway, so we are going to like be checking how it actually looks like in a different video, okay? But for now, bye. I can use all my things now in peace. I can use them because I've gotten these things over like 3 days ago. It was delivered to me. I'm like, okay, let me wait. So I could not wait. I've started using like there are two other stuffs I started using. There's one other toothpaste that I started using. But anyway, if you want to get like will I say these two-piece nightwear sets from Temu, honestly, like get them. The quality is really good. Like it's cotton, it's breathable, it's soft, it's nice. It's nice. I usually don't like buying clothing from Temu, but all the clothing materials I bought, materials particularly, they're like good now. Oh, the last thing I wanted to show you guys, my pouch. Oh, how will I show you my pouch when I'm using my phone to film? Pray for me, I'll buy uh so I can buy a camera. But that's all for now, you guys. Bye.